Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my 3 Lego puzzle boxes. So, this one is the worst of them all, and this is the best. And so this is my first one, my second one, and my third one. So, first, on this, what I'm trying to open is this door right here. So you have to find the place, what you can do. So you push this, and this comes out. And then you have your first tool. So you just take this, and you take this, stick it there, turn it, and pull the door out. And there's some treasure in there. So this is very simple, it just turns that, and it's nothing too impressive, but it's still kind of cool. So, and the next one, here, trying to open this door, just like last time. And you can tell it's not right here, which it won't come out, won't slide or anything. And right here, you start again pushing this, and you get 2 tools this time. So, what you do is you stick this in the top. Here, click, and then here, pull this out. And you can just take this off. And then, take this piece, slide this out, and get this. So, on the back here, you'll take this, push it there, until it clicks, put this right above it. And you move that over, and this comes out. So, take this off, and this is your key to open up the door. So, stick it in here, turn it, then this comes unlocked. And this one, it's a bit different. We need to open this right here. It will come out. So, again, you find this. From this side, you can't push it. From this side, you can. So, just push this. Take this out. And then we're going to stick this in here. And you'll see what happens. So, you saw this fell out in this door. The end of the door. So you take the peg, and you stick it right there. On this side, this thing come out. And now, you can slide this door out. I just locked it in there. So, let me take this and stick it here, and then when we turn it, this slides out. So, those are my 3 puzzle boxes. So, thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.